Who doesn't love fries? We all love fries, right? Today I'm going to show you plantain fries instead of potato fries. Hope you all are doing good. In my last video I showed you how to make chole recipe in Instant Pot. Today I'm going to show you how to make plantain fries in the air fryer. This is a very yummy and easy recipe. If you're a beginner, apart from making potato fries, do try this plantain fries. You're going to love it. So keep watching until the end and let's get started. Welcome to Shine with Shobs. This channel is all about making you shine with my healthy diet and building your emotional strength. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new updates from me. For this I'm taking 2 plantains. These are slightly ripe. You may use any kind, raw or ripe. Plantains look like bananas, but they are different. As a fruit, we eat bananas when they are ripe, whereas plantains are usually cooked, baked or fried. Plantains have more starch than bananas and they are less sweet. I'm cutting these in half just the way you see. The skin of plantain is thick, so it will be difficult to peel when you use your fingers. Instead, use a knife. That way it will be much easy when you use a knife. First cut the end. Then make a slit like this, carefully not tearing the flesh. Now peel, it will be much easier. It's going to be a little tough, but you'll be able to peel. When you go to buy plantain, you see green, yellow, brown or black. There are many delicious dishes prepared, both savory and sweet. Look how easily it peels. Knife will help. Now that I have peeled, I'm going to cut each piece in half. Be very careful, it can be slippery if it's too ripe. So hold it firm and cut it like this in half. If you take a raw plantain, it will be also a little slippery, so be careful. These are going to be great for fries and perfect size. I'm going to continue to cut these vertically into bite-sized wedges. Green plantains taste so good too. Sweet or savory, it's totally your taste of choice. Either way, these fries are going to taste delicious. Now let's spice them up. I'm transferring to a large baking tray. Before coating with spices, I'm going to use a paper towel to soak up some of the extra moisture. Now drizzle a little bit of olive oil and pink Himalayan rock salt. You may use regular salt. And I'm going to use black pepper, red chili powder and roasted cumin powder. I make it at home. I dry roast in a pan, grind it and store it. It smells wonderful. To this, I'm also going to use garlic powder. It goes easy on my tummy. Now using your hand, mix everything together, making sure each piece coats well. I grew up having plantain in various different forms. Today we have an air fryer and without much oil, I'm going to show you how to make this yummy plantain fries. Try this plantain fries for a change. I have 2 air fryers in my kitchen. Since I make a variety of dishes, I always preheat the air fryer, so I'm going to set the temperature to 350 Fahrenheit and set the time for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, I'm going to spray the basket with cooking oil. I'm using avocado oil. You may use any oil of your choice. Place the plantain wedges inside the basket. Make sure they are not overcrowded or on top of each other. Close the basket and set the temperature to 390°F and the time for 10 minutes. This is the usual time that I set for fries. You can use the same temperature and time in your air fryer as well. After 10 minutes, you will see how they start to turn brown. These are getting crispier as well. Turn them around, give it a good shake, and I'm going to air fry for another 2 to 5 minutes. I kept these for 5 minutes. You may keep them for 2 more minutes according to your liking. Let's see. Look how gorgeous these fries look. You can make potato fries, yam fries, or sweet potato fries with similar settings. I just can't wait to taste this. It's best eaten when they are hot, otherwise it will get soggy. Plate it and have it with your favorite sauce. I'm using Maggie Hot and Sweet sauce from Indian store. Yum! It tastes so yummy that I can just go on and on. I like the spicy flavor kicking in. Delicious. Here's a tip that I'm sharing. If you notice the fries are hard or undercooked, then just pour a little bit of water, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. This way the steam will make it softer. You can use this method for vegetables as well. These are small tips I'm sharing out of experience to help you out as a beginner. Then air fry for 2 to 3 minutes and see the result for yourself. For beginners, if you're a beginner and if you're watching my video for the first time, I do have plenty of air fryer recipes. Do check it out. If you like this recipe, please give a thumbs up. Do support this channel to help reach many others who are looking to make this plantain fries or looking to make many more air fryer recipes. Share it with your friends and family and stay tuned for another exciting recipe, and don't forget to shine with Shobs.